Save monthly rental fees. Model C7000 replaces your cable modem and Wi-Fi router, saving you up to $168 per year in equipment rental fees. Speeds by carrier. Xfinity, up to 800 megabits per second, Cox, up to 500 megabits per second, Spectrum, up to 400 megabits per second. Fast Wi-Fi performance. Get up to 1,800 square feet wireless coverage and 30 devices connected with a C1900 speed, up to 1,900 megabits per second. Versatile connections. 4 Gigabit Ethernet ports and 2 USB ports give you fast wired connections to your computer, printer, gamebox, storage drive, and other devices. Modem technology. Engineered with 32 by 8 channel bonding and DOCSIS 3.1. Note. Refer to page 102 of User Guide for troubleshooting steps. Great product. This product says great. We have Comcast as our provider and service is not good. I refuse to rent their router. My previous router was 6 years old and they kept blaming it on that. Could not FaceTime or stream without trouble. I went to Best Buy to get their opinion and they wanted to sell me a separate router and a modem. Cost was over $200. Decided to use my Prime ACCT. And check out an all-in-one router modem and could not be happier with this product. I am not a tech person but setting this up was so easy. Since I set this up, a week ago, I have not been kicked off the internet or any trouble streaming. I saved well over $150 by purchasing this from Amazon.